Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a really inexpensive and cute decoration for Valentine's Day. Every year with my kids, my husband and I decorate the table and we have dinner together and just make it as fun as we can. It's not expensive at all. I go to Dollar Tree, get a bunch of fun decorations and like a tablecloth and balloons, and we just make it fun for them. So if any of you watched my Christmas video, you'd see that I took the candy and put decorations in there. It's kind of the same idea. I'm going to be using candy hearts, Rock's Candy Hearts, the conversation hearts. I'm just going to have a vase, and I bought some flowers from the Dollar Tree. I bought a bunch of different colors. And we're just going to fill up the vase with the hearts. And that is one full bag, and I think it leaves a little bit more. Okay, let's see. That looks good. And then I bought just three different flowers. I'm just gonna have to put them in there. And it's so cute. It's that easy. I also like to use real flowers, but those are a little more expensive. So on Valentine's Day, I might actually buy real roses or use the roses my husband gets me. And you could always do that too. And then also, like I did for Christmas, a fun little decoration is to just put the hearts in a smaller vase. Say about that much. And I bought this little candle at the Dollar Tree also. Make it flat. And there you go. And then I actually have two of these. So I will put these on the table and light the candle. And then the vase in the middle for the dinner. So super easy, very inexpensive, and a fun way to decorate for Valentine's Day for your family or just for fun. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Any comments. Yeah, thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day.